I am committed to serving as an even-handed Supreme Court justice if I'm confirmed by this body. And I have a record over the past decade that's precisely how I've treated all of my cases.
Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson right there in the hot seat for day number 2 in her historic confirmation hearings for the Supreme Court.
The Miami native facing hours of questions from both sides of the aisle, defending her record and pledging to rule on cases without fear or favor. Day 2 of confirmation hearings for Supreme Court Justice nominee Ketanji Brown Jackson, and senators wasted no time zeroing in on the most important issues.
The issue involving child pornography. I want to turn to that issue because it was raised multiple times, primarily by the senator from Missouri. And he was questioning your sentencing record in child pornography cases.
As a mother and a judge who has had to deal with these cases, I was thinking that nothing could be further from the truth.
Pressing Jackson on her judicial philosophy.
I am acutely aware that as a judge in our system, I have limited power, and I am trying in every case to stay in my lane.
Her thoughts about expanding the Supreme Court beyond 9 justices.
In my view, judges should not be speaking to political issues, and certainly not a nominee for a position on the Supreme Court.
And her work as a public defender representing detainees at Guantanamo Bay.
That's what you do as a federal public defender. You are standing up for the constitutional value of representation.
A dramatic moment coming after Senator Lindsey Graham's turn, when he was called out by the committee for his line of questioning.
We had them and they got loose and they started killing people.
Well, I could just say that...
if you're one of the people killed in 2005, does it matter to you when we release them?
Suggest that a president of your own party released him in...
I'm suggesting the system has failed miserably, and advocates to change this system, like she was advocating, would destroy our ability to protect this country. We're at war. We're not fighting a crime. This is not some passage of time event. As long as they're dangerous, I hope they all die in jail if they're going to go back and kill Americans. It won't bother me one bit if 39 of them die in prison. That's a better outcome than letting them go. And if it costs $500 million to keep them in jail, keep them in jail, because they're going to go back to the fight. Look at the friggin' Afghan government. It's made up of former detainees at Gitmo. This whole thing by the left about this war ain't working.
After a brief argument, the Republican senator stormed out of the room. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer says he remains confident the Senate is on track to confirm Jackson by early April. Her confirmation would not need any Republican votes. And let's go ahead and take a live look at the hearing continuing at this hour right now. We are continuing to follow it. Again, this is a historic move. If she is confirmed, she would be the first Black woman to sit on the nation's highest court. And you can follow along. We are streaming the hearings from start to finish on local10.com.